ए विनोद चल ना विनोद मैम सामने look at left ए विनोद मैम सामने ए विनोद अरे विनोद हो गए दादा मैडम बेटा
Yeah. Roll.
Ready?
So, Sonali, what you want to say today's event, Sonali Book Club? What's going to happen inside? Let us know.
Well, actually, Sonali's Book Club is presenting the movie, which is called Book Club, and it's such an apt title for friends who form a book club and how their life changes and what are the things that happen in their lives. So it's a really sweet movie, very, very fresh, and I thought it was really apt to do a tie-up like this with my book club because I think my book club members deserve something special. Yes, absolutely, and they've been so wonderful and they've been so enthusiastic that if I can in an organic way get them something extra, I'm always going to try and do that. So this I thought was a great thing to get for the members. Unfortunately, we have members only from Mumbai over here. Maybe one day we will get there where we'll have, yes we will, but it's a book club and it's we don't have that kind of monies, but we have a huge heart and lots of love for all our members. I have some of my really dear friends because this movie is more about girlfriends getting together, so I have a couple of my girlfriends also coming in, really just some close friends with my book club members to watch the preview of the movie. So like we said, before the audience sees it, we get to see it.
So now you're talking about book and love towards the book. Which are the books that you know when you have read and you thought that it was like a, you know, it changes your thought or it changes your life?
Honestly, every book changes you in some way because something you are gaining from it, and they always give you something. So but I think when you're younger, the life-changing sort of changes happen. Now there are little things, and you know there's always something that you take away from every book. When I was younger, there were a couple of authors that really influenced me, and I think now in the recent times it's Elif Shafak's 40 Rules of Love, which have left a huge impact on me because I think I'm in a relationship, in a marriage, in love, and what does a mature relationship mean? So I'm at that age where I kind of appreciate it and understand it, so that book really means a lot to me. But otherwise, Isabel Allende, Toni Morrison, they've been authors who have really changed my life. It has helped me look, they were strong women writers, wrote about women, and that kind of subconsciously made me the woman I am.
One of the favorite author of yours?
Oh my God, I can't name one, but I do love science fiction, and I think what was really life-altering in that sense for me was Isaac Asimov. And the fact is that I keep feeling nowadays that we are living in Asimov's world already. I mean, he wrote those books in 70s, and you know what all he wrote about, a lot of those things are already happening. So somewhere for me, I'm living that fantasy world already.
So now I'm talking about horror novels. Were you a fan of
No,
Stephen King?
I'm not. I'm so scared that I can't read horror novels. If you've noticed on my book club, I don't have a horror novel as yet. I'm petrified of them. I can't read them.
Okay.
Maybe I should try it. It's a genre I haven't tried.
Okay, so in future, if you want to write an autobiography on yourself, what should
I'll
be the
never
title?
write my autobiography.
You'll never write,
No.
but still a title to justify your.
No, I already wrote the book I wanted to write. I'll write something else. I'll write stories maybe, but not my autobiography.
So are you planning to write something?
I'm always writing something.
Recently the trailer is launched. Did you see the trailer? Race 3.
I will talk only about book club too. Please, come on. You know, that film has enough stars to talk about them. We'll talk about our little film. Okay? Thank you.
Tell us something about today's day. What's going to happen inside? What you want to do?
It's quite exciting actually. The movie is very exciting. It's got one of my favorites, Don Johnson, in it. Halaki, it's a movie for 4 women. Very great star cast: Jane Fonda, Candice Bergman, Diane West. But what's exciting me is the association PVR is having today for this film with Sonali Bendre. You know, there's a किताबों पढ़ने का जो art है ना, it's a little lost on everybody. So I love the fact that someone in India actually has a book club, and सोनाली का खुद का बुक क्लब है, उसके बारे में बहुत सारी बातचीत होगी. And that she is associated with a movie called Book Club, all thanks to PVR. And I'm looking forward to hearing a lot about good reading and watching a movie about it as well.
How much you like to read a book and favorite author of yours?
Oh, I love reading books. I'm not a non-fiction reader, I'm a fiction reader. My favorite author is Wilbur Smith. He writes about Africa and I love reading every single book of his. Currently, I'm reading something by John Grisham. So, yeah, I love reading.
You're also having an appreciation session with Sonali Bendu, so please talk about that.
Actually, it's not much of an appreciation session, no time for us to read books. It's on behalf of PVR, I'm interviewing her about her own book club. She has a book club in Bombay. And I hope more people take up this cause and more people start book clubs.
So the movie Book Club has, veterans and, yeah, so it's
my favorite, it's got Don Johnson in it, so I'm waiting to watch it.
So it's an ensemble cast. Yeah. Don't you think that we don't have such movies here? Let's talk about Book Club or Avengers.
No, come on, 102 Not Out, I would say is quite close to it. It's got 2 veterans in it. Okay, it's 2 as before. But Bachchan Saab, how many movies like this? The late Sridevi, they've done some fantastic film work here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, one more here. Center. मार खाएगा भी क्या फजीरी करते हैं ये देखना मैं क्या किया आराम से बोलना आराम से नहीं करते हैं तू देखा क्या अरे आप देखते क्या आता है चीज में अरे ट्विंकल मैम साथ में मैम इधर अरे मैडम मोबाइल फ्रेम में आ रहे हो मैम रुक जा मैम अजय पूरा फ्रेम में अरे हमें हट जाएंगे तुम लोग वीडियो पीछे आओ मोबाइल विनोद कैमरा मैम लुक हियर मैम लुक एट सेंटर अरे सेंटर मैम लुक हियर मैम ट्विंकल जी एक सोलो ट्विंकल जी इधर एक सोलो Excuse me, आप मैम मैम आइए मैडम इधर देखिए नहीं मैम यहाँ पे मैम इधर लेफ्ट साइड मैम सेंटर आपके साथ में ना साथ में यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट सुजन मैम यहाँ से यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट सुजन जी सोलो सुजन जी आपका एक सोलो एक पहला सोलो मैम यहाँ पे मैम लेफ्ट सामने देखिए मैम सेंटर मैम लेफ्ट अरे क्या है मैम यहाँ लेफ्ट मैम लेफ्ट में मैम राइट साइड मैम सेंटर मैम लेफ्ट
Book Club is associated with Sonali Bendu's Book Club.
I'm just so proud of my friend Sonali because she's so enterprising. She's such an intelligent, voracious reader, and I think that good quality in her is now spreading, and she's exposing her her beautiful intellect. And I'm really proud to be here today because I know that she is she's just doing this from the heart, and that's why I think that it's going to keep adding and getting more members, and all the best to the book club.
So,
ma'am, talking about the movie,
planning to make a Sonali book club, something like that also?
No, I'll leave that for Sonali. I'm her fan.
Okay, any author, favorite author of yours you like to?
My favorite authors, oh my God, there are like so many. I like Khalid Hosseini, and I like J.K. Rowling.
Ma'am,
I like all.
Center look.
I'm going to get in between now. We need to start. Okay, bye.
Just
I think it will be really beautiful.
Then center.
Jane Fonda is one of my favorites, so I'm really happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Obviously, they read a very interesting book and a lot of things that happen with them. So the idea was, the connection and similarity is I get to know a lot of my book club members. When you're reading books and when you're discussing about them, there's a lot of things that happen. Sometimes the discussions go, they're not just about the book. We kind of, discover a lot of things. Like last book that we did was A Woman in a Window by A.J. Finn. And the amazing thing was we had him live with us from New York and we were here. And I love technology sometimes. It's amazing. It connects us so beautifully. So he was live and we were talking about this. And suddenly the conversation went into, because of somebody in the book club asking some question, it went into depression, mental health, bipolar disorders and stuff like that. So, it's amazing how the conversation moves on. We were doing Sapiens and the conversation was about humanity, the civilizations. Sometimes we're doing a really bad book and none of us are enjoying it so much. Sorry, there's nothing like a very bad book, but slightly bad book we can say. And then a lot of them actually finish it, and the question is like, who finished it? I was the one who didn't. But anyway, so a lot of things come out of it, and it's not just about the book, but the conversation it leads to, and I think that's interesting.
That's brilliant, and that was going to be my next question, but you have answered it. Conversations.
Well, not that close, but I'm getting to know them, and Prateek over there, thank you, got me lovely gift, thank you so much for it. I'm getting to know them. I know that, I don't know, has Anshul made it? He was coming from Vadodara. And he is, he's on his way, so I hope he does make it. I know Bijal is supposed to come in, it's her 12th wedding anniversary today. And
I think Bijal's there, he just wait. Oh.
Happy anniversary. See, I'm getting to know them.
Perfect. I know we want to watch the movie, but we will throw the floor open to Q&As, questions and answers. There's a gentleman with a mic in the audience, I think, or you can take mine, whichever way. Any questions, please put your hands up and then I can hand up. Would you like to ask
I
any
have
questions?
some questions for my friends. First of all, I have a question for Bijal. How were the 12 years? Can she get a mic to her?
I'm sure they'll pass the mic if you give it to the room.
Oh my God, the husband says the years have gone too fast. That's wonderful. Bijal, you're doing something absolutely right and that's wonderful. Continue that. Amazing. I have a question for my friends. Who can I ask?
Is there not a book of your own coming out soon?
Oh, Chaya! Chaya, I'm being a little lazy. It takes a lot of discipline and I'm just not writing. We have another author who's not as lazy as me and writes really well and very fast, and that's Twinkle. Tina, thank you. I actually want to ask a question. Tina, what do you think of my book club?
I think it's great.
Have you joined it?
I was part of your book club.
Have you joined it?
I read faster than the book club.
I think you still join it and be a part of the conversation.
Yes, I will join the book club. And I did read Woman in a Window. I found the end very disappointing. I'm very sorry to say so.
It's nice to hear that. So, join us for conversations. Tina.
I will. And I love your book club.
Thank you, Tina. And, I have another author here, and that's Sachin Kunalkar. Has written a book which is one of my favorites, which was, I read the translation, Sachin, sorry about that, it's Cobalt Blue, Jerry Pinto translated it. Sachin, what do you think of 50 Shades of Grey?
Sorry.
Have you read it?
No, I haven't.
Oh, come on, Sachin.
No, I haven't.
Okay, then who shall we ask? What do you think of the book club?
Well, I found this whole idea fascinating. I never knew you had a book club, but I came to know about it. Wonderful. I think it's a generation which sees things now than reading. We have been converted into people who watch. We don't read anymore. I think this whole endeavor that you're doing, I think, fuels passion about books.
I find it amazing. Things about myself. Thank you. And I want to ask Bhavna. Which is your favorite book, Bhavna? Which is your favorite book?
Honestly, I've not read a book in a long time.
Oh no.
I'm being very honest. I've been really bad. For a long time, I haven't read a book.
Okay, Bhavna, so you desperately need to join the book club and start reading.
I will, I promise.
I have Savri here, my dear friend Savri. Where are you, Sav? Sav, which is your favorite book character? Sav, you're thinking about it for so long.
I'm going to say Popeye because that's what Anusha believes.
Okay, this answer deserves a prize. This answer deserves a prize. You know what I have? I have a little something for you. It's this, what I'm wearing, this beautiful jewelry this lady Rupashri designs, and it's got book quotes in it. So I have one for you. Savri gets one.
But that's a tough one, really. What is your favorite book character?
Oh my gosh.
See? I couldn't come up with it either.
Yeah. Okay, I have one for Chaya. Chaya, which is the book you would like to live in? Yeah. Okay, pass it on to Anand. You know, these are my support system, my school mums who run a book club in school, so they should know these answers.
Right now we are stuck on grade 7 books.
Tara, come on, you give me the answer. Some historical character that you like. The school book club needs improvement.
Sonali,
Yeah.
here, backseat.
Yeah.
I have a question. Are you planning to start a kids book club also soon?
Well, not a kids book, Geeta. Hi. Not a kids book club, but what I'm doing is, you know, I think Ranveer is 12 and I'm done with reading him, trying to get him to read and reading to him. But the idea is to launch like a little discoverables on my book club. So what we are doing is putting out the books that we think are amazing, and you know, people with various age group kids can follow them. So it's called Little Discoverables on the book club.
That's nice. I better get Sia to start following you then.
Please do. I've got some lovely books up there. I'm going to be putting them out more. Guys, let's start the movie now.
Sonali ma'am, one
Yeah.
question here. There's Simran Singh here from Book My Show.
Yeah.
My question to you is, it's a coincidence that you're associated with the book club, and then we have the movie book club.
Yeah.
So talking about the movie book club, so it's a big movie with some senior actors, and it's a versatile actors in there. So please talk about the movie. Are you excited as a moviegoer, as a fan? What do you want to say about the film?
I am. What I like is the actors who are involved in it. These are all the actors one has admired and looked forward to, or any work that they come out with. And this, especially when I saw the trailer, it was so refreshing, and you know, I really wanted to see what happens, because obviously these women read 50 Shades of Grey, and then there's all kinds of things that happen in their lives. And I think it's lovely to see where the friendships go and how the relationships are formed, and that movies about relationships and friendships have always been my favorite, so I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
I think that question deserves a prize.
Hello. How can we join your book club? And I have one more question.
How do we join the book club? Tell the technical name.
Thank you for having me here.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Someone from the audience had a question.
Ma'am,
सामने मैम आपके साथ रुक रुक
हो गया
रेडी पीछे आ जाओ
Yeah. So ma'am, what do you want to say about the movie Book Club? It's a movie where, you know, all versatiles are there, and it's like an ensemble film. What do you want to say about it?
Well, it sounds very exciting. All the females in the film are wonderful actors, and I love the concept of they, you know, being at the age they are and going through this book called 50 Shades of Grey, which we all know what it's about and how it changes their lives and all of that. I think it sounds very interesting, and I'm very excited to watch the film.
Thank you.
Yeah? Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Rolling? Okay, so ma'am, what do you want to say about the movie Book Club? It's a movie which everyone has been awaited. What do you want to say about it?
I'm very excited to again like 4 women together and at that age, and I do feel that it's about reinventing yourself and not letting things like age and all of that bother you, and that bond that women share with each other, which is I think beyond everything else, as female friendship is like that, and also I'm a